Good morning students. Today we are going to begin with the online classes. So now we are going to read Science chapter 2nd, Leaves, Flowers, Roots and Vegetable part 2nd. Students are informed to make separate folder and notebook for science. Classwork and homework will be noted down in this notebook. So let's read chapter 2, Leaves, Flowers, Roots and Vegetable. We are going to do exercise. As we read chapter, now we are going to read exercise. From these all are from the chapter, so we have to fill these. Okay. A. Put right for correct and wrong for wrong. Put tick for correct and cross for wrong statements. Okay. So here are 4 statements given. You have to put, tick and cross which statement is correct and wrong. First, leaves are mostly red in colors. पत्तियाँ मोस्टली लाल कलर की होती हैं, रेड कलर की. नो, दैट्स इज रॉन्ग. सो वी फिल इट क्रॉस. Okay, because leaves are mostly green in colors. Flowers grow from buds. फूल बड से उगते हैं. Yes, as we studied in the chapter, flowers grow from buds. So this one is right. Third, apple is a vegetable. Is apple is a vegetable? No, apple is a fruit. So this one is wrong. All fruits are seedless? No. As we studied in the chapter, some fruits are seedless and some fruits are seedful. So all fruits are not seedless. So this statement is wrong. सारे फ्रूट सीडलेस नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. नाउ बी, सर्किल द ऑड वन. So students, here are given 4 names. So we have to circle that which one is not becoming the combination. I mean to say that if these 4 are the name, if 3 are the name of fruits and 1 is the name of vegetable, so this one is not becoming a combination because vegetable and fruits are different from each other. So we have to circle vegetable, flower, which one is not making combination. First, mango, which is a fruit. Banana, kela, which is a fruit. Jasmine, which is a flower. And pineapple, which is a fruit. Mango is a fruit, banana is a fruit, pineapple is a fruit. But jasmine is not a fruit, it is a flower. So this one is different from these. So this one is odd one. So we have to circle around jasmine. Okay. Again, second, spinach, palak, which is a vegetable. Cauliflower, phool gobi, which is also a vegetable. Cabbage, patta gobi, which is a vegetable. Watermelon. Watermelon is not a vegetable, it is a type of fruit. So this one is vegetable, but this one is fruit. So this is not making a combination. So watermelon is a odd one, so we have to circle around watermelon. Now third, ladyfinger, bhindi, vegetable, lotus, kamal, flower, sunflower, also a type of flower. Rose, gulab, also a type of flower. This one is a type of flower, this one is a type of flower, this one is a type of flower. No, this one is not a type of flower, this one is a vegetable. So this one is odd one. Now circle around it. Okay. C. Fill in the blanks. First, leaves आर डैश इन कलर्स, पत्तियाँ इस कलर की होती हैं मोस्टली। ग्रीन, GREEN, green. Second, dash grows from bud. As we studied in the chapter, bud से कौन उगता है? Flowers, FLOWERS, फूल। Third, fruit are dash and dash. Fruit are dash and dash. फ्रूट कैसे होते हैं नेचर में? स्वीट, SWEET, स्वीट यानी मीठे, एंड जूसी, JUICY। फोर्थ, डैश वेजिटेबल्स आर गुड फॉर हेल्थ। कौन सी टाइप की वेजिटेबल्स, सब्जियां हमारी हेल्थ के लिए फ़ायदेमंद होती हैं, अच्छी होती हैं? ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, GREEN, ग्रीन।